If you're looking for a 4K dashcam, in today's video we're gonna test this GKU Dashcam. This is the D600 model, and in today's video we're gonna test it, we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna see how to download the videos, and we're gonna see the video resolution for the front camera and the rear camera. This is a 2-channel dashcam, so in today's video we're gonna test it and we're gonna see how good it is. Coming up next. Okay, this is what it comes inside of the box. GKU, and the model is the D600. This is a 4K camera. If you only use one camera, it's a 4K resolution, but if you connect the front and the rear camera, it's gonna be a 2.5K for the front and 1080p for the rear. And this is what it comes inside of the box. Okay, it comes with the rear camera with the extension cable. Here's the plug to connect it to the camera. This is the front camera. The micro SD card is included. 64 gigs micro SD card is included with the camera. Okay, that's great. The power connection is here, USB-C connection, and the rear camera connection in there. This is the power cable with the USB-C connection and the cigarette lighter connection for the car, and a USB-A plug on the back. Trim tool, extra double-sided tape, some stickers to place the camera on the windshield or rear window, some clips to hide the cables, and the user manual. And this is everything that comes inside of the box. Okay, the camera is installed, as you can see it here. The power is on the side and the rear camera is on the side too. But we have to download the app to connect to the camera and format the SD card first. Okay, I'm ready. Already downloaded the app. The name is Jarvis Cam. That's the app. Okay, now so let's open. Okay, now it's showing this. Agree. Add camera. Allow while using app. Connect to devices. Yeah, allow. Now. Okay, we have to add camera again. Connecting. Okay, it says how to put the cable. Already did that. Add the Wi-Fi. Okay, we have to go to the Wi-Fi and find this. This one is okay, right here. GKU, that's the one. And put the password. Loading. All right. So it's connected. So now let's go to this one. Connecting. Got it. Okay, please format the SD card. Settings in the settings below. So we have to go to the settings and let's go down right here. Format confirm. Formatting is completed. Cool. Okay, now we're ready here. So this is the app. This is the front view of the camera, and here there's an icon in the bottom of the screen to switch the camera. It's changing the camera. That's great. That's the rear camera. You can do this too and have a better view. Alright, and it has this icon. You can pause, stop, and play the recording.
Stop recording.
And then
Start recording.
And this one you can take a screenshot, but let's put the front one.
Picture success.
You can take a screenshot. All right, and that's everything for the top. Here you can stop the audio too.
Mute on. Mute off.
For the audio, you don't want the camera to record the audio, you can mute it here. And here are the camera files. I don't have a lot because I just made I just installed the camera, but to download it you have to click on the video like this, and it has this icon on the bottom to download. So just click download and it will start downloading, as you can see, but I don't want to download it right now. All right, you can take a video screenshot or delete delete the video right there. All right, and it has the screenshots and the locked videos, but I don't have any locked videos yet because I just installed the camera. Okay, now let's see the settings real quick, the settings for the app and the camera. So here you can mute the audio, or stop the audio, or stop mute off. Okay, the volume of the speaker, maybe I'm gonna lower a little bit. Okay, so this is for the speaker volume of the camera. Okay, video resolution, let's see, 2K for the front and 1080p for the rear if you are using both cameras. But if you only use the front camera, it will be a 4K resolution. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna leave it like that. The loop recording, 1 minute. I always liked the video in 1 minute because it will download faster. If you keep it on 2 or 3 minutes, it will take long, but you can choose which the size of the file do you want. The anti-flicker, it has 50 Hz or 60 Hz. That's alright for now. Camera stamp, you can turn it on. Rear camera flip, if you want to flip the camera. Now the advanced collision sensitivity, collision sensing, it will tell you when you're close to a car. Okay, and it will lock the video if you're in an accident. Okay, for now I'm gonna leave it off. Parking monitor is off, but for this one you will need a hardwiring kit because you need the camera to be on all the time. Okay, parking motion collision detection off, but for this you will need a parking mode. All right, parking motion duration 24 hours. Okay, so everything is super simple. The Wi-Fi name is right there. The password, you can change it here if you want to change it. The version of this one, that one, if you want to format the SD card, you can do it here, or you want to reset the factory settings, you can do it in this one. I don't want to do it. So everything is super simple. Now the next thing, let's see the videos for the day view and night view, and let's see the resolution and let's see how they look. Coming up next. Alright, this is the day view for the front camera. The front camera is at 2.5K resolution because we are using the front and the rear camera. Okay, as you can see, everything is very clear. It looks super nice. The resolution is great. I can see all the cars, even the model, I know what it is. So it's very clear. Even the resolution, the colors of the view, it's amazing. I approve it. So for the front camera, it looks great on the day view. Okay, and now this is the day view for the rear camera. The rear camera is 1080p resolution. The resolution is a little bit lower than the front, but we can see everything good. I can see the cars. I can see when the car gets closer, I can see the license plate when the car is approaching, and the resolution is good on the day view. So for the day view, 1080p resolution, it's okay when it's during the day. And now this is the night view for the front camera, 2.5K resolution. So for the night is amazing. This one has night vision because as you can see, everything looks super clear. When the car is close, look at that. Everything looks great. I can see everything. I can see license plate. I can see the car. I can see the lights. So at night for the front camera is amazing. This looks very, very good. And now this is the night view for the rear camera. The resolution is 1080p resolution for the rear camera. So as you can see, the resolution, it does affect a little bit, but I can still see the car. When the car is close, the license plate, I can see it too, but the resolution is 1080p, and that's why it gets a little bit grainy at night. During the day it's good, but at night it loses a little bit of resolution, but the thing is still okay. Okay guys, so this is the GKU D600 dashcam. This is a 2-channel dashcam, 2.5K for the front camera, 1080p for the rear camera. So the front camera is amazing. The resolution is super good. At night, the night vision is great. The rear one, it's okay. It's 1080p. For the day, it's good. At night, it struggles a little bit because of it gets a little bit grainy, but it's still good. I think for this price is good. Okay, so the link for this product is gonna be on the description of the video down below if you wanna get it. But let me know what you guys think on the comments. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Thank you, and see you on the next video. Bye. Okay guys, and this is the next giveaway. We're gonna give away this camera that is over here. Okay, so we're gonna do it like this. On Friday, we're gonna try to do it maybe every Friday. On Friday, we're gonna announce the winner for the giveaway, okay? Rules are very simple. You have to be subscribed to the channel. You have to like any of the videos. You have to put a comment on any of these videos. And on Friday, we're gonna pick the winner. So good luck, guys. God bless you. And on Friday, we're gonna announce the winner for the giveaway. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. God bless you, and see you on the next video.